Joining us now with some smartphone apps to help keep you safe is Jess Bonish from Push Interactions. And Jess, before we get into the apps, you've brought some an actual survival kit here. So what did you bring today?
Yeah, so this is actually the real survival kit that I keep in my car. So it's got this nice little bag. There's some flares in here. There's a shovel, this safety triangle, a flashlight, a blanket, of course, some jump cords. And, this is all in my car to keep me safe in the case of an emergency.
Right.
But there is one more tool that would be awesome to have on me, which we always all have on us, which is our phones. So if you have your phone on you, you should download the Winter Survival Kit.
Okay.
It's free for iPhone and for Android, and it's going to give you a ton of tips on how to stay safe in case of an emergency.
Okay. And so what exactly kind of is on it if people were to get the app?
Yeah, so it has all this information, like let's say you're stranded on the side of the road and thankfully, hopefully you still have some gas, but you want to keep your car running only a safe amount. You don't want to have carbon monoxide poisoning happening inside of your car, which can happen in the winter months if you're stranded. And so it kind of gives you tips on how to stay safe, how to keep warm, what to pack in your own emergency kit if you don't go out and buy one. And so it's just really great because, we all want to think that that'll never happen to us, but it does happen. And so the right information can keep you safe.
And it's better to be safe than sorry and be prepared.
Exactly.
And another one that you have is more of a personal security, which is Be Safe. What is that?
Yeah, Be Safe is for iPhone and Android, and again, it's an awesome free app, and it's all about your personal safety. Okay. So making sure that you are checking in if you're out with your family, making sure that you have the right emergency contacts, as well as if you're by yourself, safe walk, that sort of thing, all intended to keep you safe when you're by yourself.
Okay, so can people kind of track you to let you know, or so you can let them know where you are at what time?
Yeah, there's a tracking system. So you can set an interval. So let's say every 30 minutes or 1 hour, you need to check in. And if you haven't checked in, it will alert the proper people to say, hey, Steph hasn't checked in yet. And then they can call you and make sure that you're safe.
So it might be an interesting app for parents with teenagers that are going out. And,
that's a perfect idea.
You kind of want to know, but give them their personal space at the same time.
Exactly.
And then ARMS. What is ARMS?
Yeah, ARMS is an app that actually Push Interactions, our company, developed. And it's called the ARMS Reach Monitoring System. And it's for lone workers. So let's say you're in an oil field, you're a construction worker, maybe you're a real estate agent and you work by yourself. This is going to give you the tools to be able to check in to make sure that you're safe.
Okay, cool. And so what exactly is on that? Does it go to your employer? Does it go to family members?
To your employer. So your employer would set up a profile for you and then set up an interval. So let's say, okay, we want staff to check in every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes, an alarm on your phone would sound. All you do as the user is simply press check in, you're good to go. But let's say, in the unlikely event that you don't check in, it will alert the proper authorities to make sure that you're safe. So it'll alert your supervisor, and then eventually it'll alert the proper emergency services, as well as it does have, of course, GPS on it, so we can know your last known location.
So a little bit of ease of mind for not just the employer, but the employee, too, because it can be nerve-wracking working by yourself.
Yeah, or maybe if you've just simply fallen and you just can't reach your phone, and then they'll send somebody out to help you.
And now all of these will also be online, right? So where can people find out more information?
Yeah, if you go to our blog at pushinteractions.com, I have a nice blog that's been posted about an hour ago that'll have all the links to all these free apps for you guys.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Jess, for coming in and helping us stay safe this winter season.